Data blur is used to blur, or interpolate, the PlumeFx feather groups. It does this by blurring all the attributes on a mesh at once, including arrays. The standard Houdini attribute blur cannot blur arrays, so that's why data blur is needed. The only thing you need to watch out for is blurring feather data into no feather data. If the mesh still has areas without feather data painted on, you need to remove those areas with a blast node. Attribute splat leaves a group called hasData that you can use to blast unpainted areas away. Data blur has similar controls to attribute blur, with a few extras. Data blur will blur every attribute except the ones in ignore attributes. Like attribute splat, it's important to ignore P, and any other attributes you don't want blurred. If you used PlumeFx version 1, you might have run into errors with this node caused by differing array lengths. Those errors can now be fixed by enabling the array interpolator. With the array interpolator turned on, there are no limitations of blurring different feathers together. Like the normal attribute blur, you can paint a blur weight to vary the amount of blurring as needed. Here are a few examples of blurring feather types together.